Education is the one of the blessings of life. It is one of its necessities. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. Not just the politicians of one leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silent. We realize the importance of books and pens, but we save the guns. Why is it that countries which we call are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tanks is so easy, but building in schools is so hard? Don't close the book when bad things in your life. Just turn the new page, a new chapter begin can change your life. Educated people make an educated society. Education is not the preparation for life. Education itself is life. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Education is the only solution. One child, one teacher, or one pen and one book can change the world.